So I just got this today. It's a Guppie multi-tool and a eating tool by CRKT. This eating tool, spoon of course, fork, hex heads for hex drill bits, a flathead, screw, bottle can opener, little holder, very thick, sturdy, durable, and the multi-tool. Clip it on your belt buckle, clip it on your pants. Have your monkey wrench. This detaches. There's a strong magnet right here, and this holds the bits, and that goes in right here. Has a magnet in there so you don't lose them. This also has a light on it, and of course a nice sharp pointy knife. Very cool. I recommend it to anybody who goes camping, fishing. Keep it in your car just in case.